iCamper SkyCamp. The iCamper SkyCamp is a rooftop tent designed to bring comfort and convenience to outdoor adventures. Instead of struggling with cramped ground tents, the SkyCamp opens to reveal a king-size mattress that comfortably sleeps up to 4 people, making it perfect for families or groups. Setup takes only 60 seconds thanks to its patented hard shell design, which pops open quickly and folds down just as easily. That means less time dealing with poles and more time enjoying nature. Built for versatility, the SkyCamp mounts securely on SUVs, trucks, and vans, so you can take it anywhere the road leads. Its aerodynamic shape reduces wind drag while driving, and its waterproof fabric with insulated flooring keeps you warm and dry in any weather. Inside, you'll find spacious room with windows for stargazing, blackout curtains for privacy, mosquito nets, and handy storage pockets. With optional add-ons like awnings, insulation liners, or shoe. Ecto Cool Chair. The Ecto Cool Chair is the future of staying comfortable in the heat. Unlike regular folding chairs that leave you sweating, this chair keeps you cool by lowering the temperature around you by up to 7 degrees Celsius within seconds. It's the world's first active cooling folding chair, designed for beaches, camping trips, music festivals, or simply relaxing in your backyard. You can choose the full chair with a sunshield for $259, or just grab the cooling pad for $152 to upgrade your existing seat. Inside, a 16-meter network of cooling tubes circulates ice-cold water from a mini cooler or fridge, delivering instant refreshment. Power comes from a 5,000 mAh power bank, giving you up to 9 hours of chill without needing an outlet. Wherever the heat tries to slow you down, the Ecto Cool Chair makes sure you stay fresh. It's more than just a seat, it's your personal oasis on the hottest days. B-Triton. The B-Triton is not just a vehicle. It's an adventure machine built for those who crave freedom on both land and water. This all-electric amphibious camper takes versatility to the next level. On land, it moves smoothly with pedal assist and an electric motor, letting you cruise at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. Once you hit the water, it transforms into a boat-like ride, floating steadily at 2.5 miles per hour. Its body is crafted from lightweight fiberglass, which keeps it strong, durable, and buoyant no matter the terrain. What makes the B-Triton even more appealing is its thoughtful design for explorers. It comes with a collapsible canopy to shield you from rain or sun, and it has enough storage space to carry camping gear, supplies, or even fishing equipment. Whether you're a traveler, camper, or eco-tourist, this vehicle offers the freedom to go places most others can't. With a price tag of around $14,600, it's a true investment in adventure, combining practicality. Jetboil Genesis. The Jetboil Genesis is like bringing a real kitchen to the outdoors. Known as the Rolls-Royce of camp stoves, it's designed for campers who love good food and don't want to settle for basic meals. This dual-burner stove delivers an impressive 10,000 BTUs of power per burner, giving you complete control over your cooking. You can go from a gentle simmer for your morning porridge to a roaring boil for pasta in minutes. It's fast, reliable, and precise, exactly what you need when you're hungry in the wild. One of the best things about the Genesis is how neatly it all packs down. The compact foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. It also comes with smart extras, including a 5-liter flux pot, a 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick frying pan, and a universal lid that fits both. No more worrying about mismatched cookware, everything is included. Plus, Adria Altea. The Adria Altea is a lightweight caravan that blends comfort with smart practicality, making it a great choice for modern travelers. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, cozy sleeping quarters, and even a modern bathroom. Everything you need to feel at home while on the move. The layout is designed to balance comfort and function, so you can relax after a long day or handle daily needs with ease. On the road, the Altea's aerodynamic design makes towing smooth and fuel efficient, even for smaller vehicles. It also offers strong insulation and clever storage solutions, ensuring comfort and convenience in any season. Whether you're camping in the mountains, traveling along scenic coastlines, or exploring hidden countryside escapes, the Adria Altea delivers a dependable travel experience. With prices ranging from $25,000 to $35,000, it provides excellent value for a stylish, well-equipped caravan that's both mobile and comfortable. Crua Culla Solo. The Crua Culla Solo is a tent designed specifically for solo adventurers who want warmth, comfort, and protection in the outdoors. Unlike standard tents, it uses advanced insulation technology to keep you warm on cold nights and cool during hot days, creating a comfortable interior environment in any season. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry in a backpack, making it perfect for hikers, campers, and minimalist travelers. Despite its small size, the Crua Culla Solo is built tough. Its durable, weather-resistant materials provide reliable protection against rain, wind, and other elements, ensuring you stay safe and dry. Inside, the tent feels cozy and secure, offering just the right space for one person without feeling cramped. Its clever design means you don't have to sacrifice comfort for portability. Whether you're hiking deep into the wilderness